So you have completed your MTech in 2017 and you have done BEd. So why you are a technical person? I think electronics and communication engineer. Then why you have again went to do the BEd?
Sir, actually, from 2015, the Odisha government and NCD also approved B.Ed candidates to do B.Ed for a school teachership, or PCM teacher in Odisha, mathematics teacher in TGT math. So I was teaching physics at Royal College of Science and Technology and various competitive institutes for NEET and JEE. For that reason, I thought that if I will do B.Ed, then I can get a government job as a PGT physics. And I also selected in Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, but during interview and document verification, they rejected my qualification. They told that it will be master degree in physics. I told that master degree from recognized university, PGT physics, it is mentioned physics or electronics or applied physics or nuclear physics. But they told that it is MSc, master degree in science electronics, but not mentioned the science, but only master degree. But I did not.
So they have rejected it.
Rejected. After that. At that time, they told me the documentation, if you go to the court, then you can get your justice, because advertisement is clearly mentioned master degree in physics or electronics or applied physics.
So you went to court or not?
No, sir. I was serving in government sector as a village agriculture worker. So at that time, assistant training officer notification was out. So I decided to focus on my study in technical job rather than going to the court.
Okay. So assistant training officer in government ITI, Balangir. Okay. So what you are giving the training there?
Sir, I trained the students in electronics and workshop science and calculation for last 2 years. Mainly my job role is to management workshop and to give hands-on training to the students, and to make the lesson plan and demonstration chart, and their assessment, evaluating the assessment by conducting internal exam and practical exams. And
so how do you think that your experience will help you in assistant industry officer?
Yes, sir. Sir, as a job role as assistant training officer has helped me understand the importance of skilled manpower in industrial development, and how the technical education can enhance the youth employability. And we have worked with the Odisha Skill Development Authority, various schemes we are implementing. Nano Unicorn from General Manager of DIC also coordinating in our ITS, and PM Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana is there also, and other schemes to enhance the training program for skilled manpower.
Okay. So what is the difference between micro, small and medium enterprises?
Sir, as for 2025, it is modified that for the micro, the investment must be 2.5 crore, and the turnover will be 4 times of that is 10 crore. And for the small, it will be 25 crore of investment and actually 100 crore of turnover. And for the medium, it will be 125 crore of investment and the 500 crore of turnover should be there.
So what are the schemes available for development of the MSME sector or to promote entrepreneurship?
Sir, various schemes are there. PMEGP, Prime Minister Employment Generation Program is there, which is in rural and urban areas being implemented. And CGTMS scheme is there, Credit Guarantee Trust Fund, that is a scheme. And Udyam registration is there for registering the organized to make the MSMEs, to identify the MSMEs working in rural areas.
In Mudra Yojana, there are 3 steps. One is Sishu, Tarun, Kishore. Do you know what is the limit for Sishu, Tarun, and Kishore?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is from Mudra Yojana that is implemented by central government, and that is now it is for types Sishu and Kishore, then Tarun and Tarun Plus. And SISU for it will be 50,000 of assistance or collateral free credit. And for Kishore it will be 50,000 to 1 lakh. And then it will be 1 lakh to 10 lakh for Tarun and 10 lakh to, sorry, 1 lakh to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 10 lakh for Tarun.
What about Subhadra Yojana?
Yes.
How much amount they are giving in Subhadra Yojana?
Sir, it is being distributed within 5 years phase wise, 5,000 in each phase, and total is 50,000. So 10 installments.
So per year they are giving 10,000.
10,000.
So as an industry officer, so tell me the 10,000 given to an woman, how will you motivate them or how will you suggest them with 10,000 they can start their business or they can start entrepreneurship. So do you think that this amount is too less to start the business?
Sir, of course, this amount might be less, but it can be if an entrepreneur will start, then it can be started with 10,000.
So 10,000 what a woman can do?
Sir, goat farming, that is agriculture farming. There are goat farming, 10,000 can easily do goats. They can from 2 goats they can earn more and they can increase the farming. And cow farming or their dairy farming. For small investment, they can get the farming business. They can start and they can invest in the agriculture also. If there is any vegetables or fruits in their.
Okay. Have you heard about Amar Sasan initiative of Odisha government?
I heard of what I forgot it.
Okay, so it's a feedback mechanism. Previously 5T Mosarkar, now they have changed to Amar Sasan. Shakti Shri initiative of Odisha government.
Shakti Shri. So
Aftermath of the FM University girls incident where one girl was self-immolation herself. In every university and every college, there are the internal complaint committee.
One
half actually launched by the Odisha government. They are now which is Shakti Shri app.
Shakti Shri app. I recently launched.
So after the US sanction 50% tariff on India, please. The sector are mostly affected by this.
So mostly food processing sector, pharmaceutical sector, and other minerals. Those are exporting to the USA. That will be affected.
So despite we are a mineral state, why we are lagging in manufacturing industry?
Sir, actually we are exporting the minerals, the raw materials to the other countries. But the government of India now it is focusing to the value addition, domestic value addition for it. And if you will do the value addition, then we think we can enhance our economic also, and we can justify our minerals or raw materials that is available.
POSCO came last time. Okay, in Jagatsinghpur, they after 5 years they withdraw 40,000 crores investment is gone. Now again they are here. So we are talking about Invest Odisha, making Odisha, but what are the ground challenges they are facing when one company like POSCO or any other company trying to invest in Odisha?
There is public awareness should be there in that region where they are being invested. They are trying to be invest there. And another thing is the land litigation will be always there, but local political factor was lagging there. So for this region and some others are thinking that the environment will be affected in that region. So due to political ground, they are not allowed.
So assistant training officer you are. So we have many engineering colleges, more than 100 engineering colleges in Odisha, and more than thousands of students every year they are coming out of, but they are not readily observed by the industry. So what is lagging in our engineering education?
So actually the industry wants the skilled manpower, where we are providing only maximum 80% of theoretical knowledge to the candidates, and there is not much more industrial exposure before going to the industry, and there is no apprenticeship training mandatory for a candidate to become a BTech So the lagging of skilled manpower, and every day the technology is changing and advanced maintenance equipments are coming. So the skilled manpower is really needed for the company, and the company in investing most of candidates initial phase, but they are leaving the job after getting the skill. So that is the factor for the company to observe the fresher candidate.
So tell me, suppose you are an industry assistant industrial officer and you went on a field visit to a particular factory and you find a lot of violation they have done, labor code, industrial policy, safety, security, everything. You have all the power to cancel the license, but suddenly you got a call from the higher authority that factory belongs to the industry minister. If you take any action, your life and job will be in danger. How will you handle the situation?
So first I will be calm in this situation, and I will first try to find the root cause of this. If required, I will give the awareness to the person doing this, and I will also give the future upcoming problems and the environmental issue, what will be happen. I will try my level best to give the awareness and the actual problem. After that, I will give a show cause notice to the industry and for upgradation of the lagging for within 1 month or 6 months, whatever the possible time. After that, if not, they will not listen, then I will inform to my higher authority for.
So tell me, you are playing badminton. Do you know anyone from Odisha who got a gold medal in Paralympic from Odisha in badminton?
From Odisha. So I don't
gold medal in Olympic. Pramod Bhagat.
Pramod Bhagat. So you know here?
से पैरालंपिक जे ओलंपिक के गोल्ड से पद्मश्री अवार्ड पाइछथि खेल रत्न अवार्ड only one person from खेल रत्न award from Odisha. Okay, so in badminton, just remember his name. Okay, and tell me 3 qualities you have which are suitable for this job.
Sir, I have previously worked in field job, and I have also implemented various central and state scheme in the grassroots level. So I have that of knowledge, and I have also conducted various awareness program in my circle where I posted in Vingarpur Panchayat, and I have that knowledge. And I also I have seen the requirement of skilled manpower, and we are giving the training to the trainees for being a skilled that is industrial ready. And so I have seen. I have worked in Odisha Skill Development Authority, so I have seen it directly. So I think that my experience and my knowledge, what I have gathered over a period, will be helpful in my job if I'll be selected.
Okay. So that is all from my side.